If you want to apply some changes on the existing books in the queue, for example, you have books with errors, or you have rejected books, or you just want to edit some fields, select the desired books. Right-click. Then click on Export to Excel file. For more information on these options, please check out basic tutorials. In your Excel layout, apply the changes you want. Save your file. Then import it back to the queue. If you are willing to use the old upload settings, means the ones that were already applied to the existing books in the queue, just click OK, and it will ask you for that in a minute. Otherwise, if you want to use new upload settings, set it here, then click OK. Now, it detects that there are some books already exists in the queue, and it asks you if you want to overwrite them. Please note that if you choose to add them as new books, they will be added as new records in the queue only. This doesn't mean that they will be uploaded as new books, because they already have book IDs attached to them. You only select this option if you want to keep record of both the existing books in the queue, and the new ones being imported. If you want to add them as new books even in your KDP account, please remove Book ID and Ref ID columns in your Excel layout. Also, you may have a warning about conflicts between book IDs. Click on the warning icon to select the books that have the same book ID, so you can decide which one you want to remove. That being said, let's try to re-import the layout again, but we overwrite the existing books this time. So, as we said earlier, if you are willing to use the old upload settings, means the ones that were already applied to the existing books in the queue, just click OK, and it will ask you for that in the next step. Now you can choose to use the old upload settings that were already applied to the existing books, or use the new upload settings that you just set up. Few notes to keep in mind. Overwriting existing books will lead to reprocess the changed pages. Whether it's the details page, content page, or pricing page. Pages are changed in one of these ways. Changes in the data of the Excel layout. Changes in upload settings. Changes in interior and cover files. Kindle Prime automatically detects which fields have changed, and it will reprocess only the changed fields. For example, we have a book that is already in the pricing page, and we have changed some fields in the details page, whether via Excel layout or via upload settings. It will reset the upload process from the details page, but it gonna resubmit only the changed fields. Then it gonna skip the content page, because no fields have changed there, and moves directly to pricing page. Another example. We have a book that is already in the pricing page, and we have changed bleed settings. It will reset the upload process from the content page, but it gonna resubmit only bleed settings, without re-uploading interior and cover files. For a visual demonstration, please check out Upload Settings tutorial. One more tip. If you don't want to publish draft books anymore, you can overwrite them with brand new books. To do that, export the desired books, then change all the data in your Excel layout except the book ID, then import it back to the queue. It is important to have books IDs in your Excel layout. That will be it. Thank you.